It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, October the 29th. I'm Michael Groff. Fall weather in the air, temperatures trending down, slightly below average readings by midweek. Although conditions will remain dry here in the valley, maybe a slight chance of some showers across northern and eastern Arizona. Let's talk about it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. 90 degrees for the high in the valley after a morning low of 63. And outside right now here at 5:40 a.m., we've got mostly cloudy skies in the valley. We begin this day at 66 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 50, humidity 56%, the winds from the east at 8 miles per hour, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 58 in Gilbert and Buckeye, 59 Tullison. Most of us are in the 60s. Water vapor satellite view, a broad but very weak circulation out there well west of the Baja, and that's helping to usher in some high clouds around here, and that'll continue for the next 24 hours or so. A trough over the Pacific Northwest, and our ridge that's been so dominant around here is sliding off to the east today. The watch warning map remains pretty quiet. Some dense fog advisories from around Corpus Christi over toward Lake Charles and Morgan City, Louisiana, as well as parts of Alabama around Montgomery and Phoenix City. Wind advisories for sections of western North Carolina and the Virginias, and a winter weather advisory in central Colorado. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the lower 48. And rainfall for the next 7 days in our state. Nothing here in the valley. Maybe a little bit of rain for parts of northeast Arizona. And we'll detail that and everything else with our weather right now as we check the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper trough over the Pacific Northwest, a weak low west of the Baja, southwest flow aloft. Down at the surface, partly sunny skies today. Highs this afternoon, somewhere in the mid and upper 80s. The sun will peek through the veil of clouds today, though. Tonight, mostly cloudy skies, lows mainly in the 60s. And then tomorrow, a bit cooler as that trough begins to intensify over the Intermountain West. And a northwesterly flow comes in here. A weak front will move through the area tomorrow and tomorrow night. Highs low to mid 80s, and we'll call it partly cloudy. Wednesday for Halloween, the cooler and drier air comes in here. Should be a pleasant day. Sunny skies, highs in the upper 70s. Wednesday night, Thursday morning, this should be the coolest night of the forecast period with lows in the upper 40s in the cool spots, mid 50s in the mid-city. Thursday, plenty of sun, highs upper 70s. Friday, upper 70s, maybe low 80s with mostly sunny skies continuing. Same thing on Saturday. We'll see ridging building in, so temperatures will very subtly warm. Sunday, we could be back into the low, maybe even mid-80s in the warmest desert spots. As we kick off next week, this is Monday, the 5th of November, and ridging continues with highs low 80s. Here's Tuesday, the 6th, the weak shortwave approaching us from the west. About the only sensible weather from this will be some clouds, slightly cooler temperatures, highs backing off into the upper 70s. And then here's the end of the forecast period. This is Wednesday the 7th, a quasi-zonal flow across much of the country, and that's just going to spell out to temperatures right around average. I'd say upper 70s, lows mostly in the 50s to near 60. And we see that when we look at the temperatures through the period off the GFS ensemble. After today, looks like temperatures within striking distance of average, upper 70s, low 80s, lows in the 50s to around 60. And dry conditions to continue for the next 10 days or so, but evidence that maybe we'll start to see a pattern change as we head toward mid-November. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged. Be safe out there. Have a wonderful Monday. And here is the forecast.